All right, so this house here is interesting. Roof's old. Roof's 25 years old. Landscaping's not good. You can tell someone lives here. It's not awful. The original wooden windows, original asphalt driveway. So, and I'm looking at the older Honda in the driveway. I'm just going to speculate. It's probably a 75-year-old, 80-year-old that lives there. So there's a few things that you can do. Typically what we'll do on something like that is just cultivate them and let them know if they need us that we're there. Obviously, they're not ready yet, but you're going to have to plant seeds. People are going to go with the people that they love and trust, especially if they're still able to make decisions for themselves. So that's why we do driving for dollars, so that we can find houses, and that one's already on our list. This is a neighborhood that we go through all the time, and we know it well. But that's the things you've got to do to get deals right now. Anytime is cultivate relationships so that people want to work with you, right? So start cultivating now for tomorrow.